Good morning, students. Today we will continue with the chapter number 6, that is Be My Multiple, I Will Be Your Factor. Now, bangles. There are 18 bangles on the road. Total 18 bangles. Meena is trying to group them. She can put them in groups of 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18 without any bangle being left. So, total number of bangles 18, and Meena is trying to make groups of 18 bangles with 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18, and nothing is left. So, if she will make two groups of the bangles, so how many groups of bangles she can make? Yes, she can make 9 groups of bangles because total will be 18. So 2 multiply 9, 2 9 ja 18. Then we get 18. So in one group there are 2 bangles. So how many groups she can make? So 18 divided by 2, 18 divided by 2 is equals to 9. So we get 9. Similarly, if she is making 3 groups for the bangles, so how many groups she can make for 18 bangles? Yes, 6, because you have to divide 18 divided by 3 is 3, 6 ja 18. So you will get 6. Similarly, for the 9, if she is making groups of 9 bangles, how many total groups she can make? Yes, she will get only 2 groups for the 18 bangles. 18 divided by 9 is equals to 9 2 ja 18. So 2 groups. She will get only 2 groups for the 18 bangles. In this way, you solve. Here, how many groups will she have if she makes groups of 1 bangle each? So, for this, what we have to do? We have divide by 1. So, 18 divided by 1 is equals to 18. If Meena will make a bangles with 1 group with taking bangles, so total she can make 18 groups. Now complete the table for different numbers of bangles. For each number, see what different groups can be made. We have to find the factors. Now when we divide 18 divided by 2 is equals to 9. So we got 9. 18 divided by 3, so we got number 6. 18 divided by 9, so we got number 2. 18 divided by 1 is equals to number 18. So we got 18. So here you can see number 6, 9, 18, 1, 2 and 3. This all can divide 18. It means this number are called factors. Here definition for factors. The factors are numbers which can divide the given number. For example, 18. 18 is given number, and 18 number, which number can divide by 18? So here 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. 18. These numbers can be divided by 18. So for that, these all number will be known as factors of 18. And 18 is the multiple of these all numbers because 18 is divisible. Here 18 will be here multiple, and 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18, these are the factors. Now fill the table. First, number of bangles. Different groups we can make. We have to write factors here. First, number 18 and factors 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. And number 24, 1, 2 and many more. So write 3, then 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. These are the factors of 24. Next 5. So first number 1 and 5. 9 number 1, number 3 and number 9. 7, 1 and 7. Number 2, 1 and 2. 10, 1, 2, 5 and number 10. 1, 1. 20, 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. 13, 1 and 13. And last number 21. 1, 3, 7 and 21. So these are the factors. Write in this way. Here you can say all numbers are that can make groups for these bangles. Students, further we will continue in next video. Thank you.